dear friends, today we are going to be reviewing the July Treasury bags. These are the materials that are in the bags for the month of July. We have 4mm icons, and this is in the color Sunflower. We also have some rondelles, 5x6mm. .9% pure silver plating. And these are cabochon link settings. Flower drops. With these petals. With some round duo, and these are green tea luster. We have these square beads. Picasso dark gray flower beads. .80 Mizuki seed beads. We have some jump rings, dragon thread, and color gold. A6000 triangle beads. I really love these heart beads, especially to make wire bracelets with dangles. It looks really pretty. We have these beads, Bibo beads, check 4mm. Disc beads, we have this turquoise 4mm. These are really pretty. We have these matte dagger beads. And these cabochons. If you can see, these cabochons go with these ones. And this is all we have in the July Treasury bags. What I'm going to do with these ones, I might make me a pair of earrings and bracelet. Lately I've been doing macrame bracelets and I really like them. I hope you guys enjoyed this unbox video, and please go ahead and visit the Potomacbeads.com so you can get these bags. These are very pretty. I love these ones. So now I gotta figure out if I want to make pair of earrings or if I want different bracelets. You can even add resin in here. Until next time, thank you.